drug supporter KSA song J Atom Armuga Chijengpon KAC MD Urfing Masla Batay Nito Bapan Nakachong Thui Chobai Karbi Archon Arat Kardom Time News Tifulong Pe Nilibirta Thanbang Pi Nilimen Pujaterang Pi Lesenon Birta Tot Ben Arjikta Anti-drug supporter KSA song J Atom Armuga Chijengpon Lakha Crazy Lamper constituency arlo anti-drug supporter KSA song atumahin pen bahoni ador so pen volong kamaje hiti an armu kache jeng asai kedeng pon labang sar mu kache jeng pon kalong kache patir pipon laki volong kamaji branch committee amai puro pising nara hin pen si chipatir pipo lapen labang so anti-drug supporter armu kache jeng mate kache song pon along nang chitong don laki central committee chunbang Viswa Jyoti Teron Ajay Rong Chehon lapen KSA song J claim pu Bang Piatum Chitongdo News Tech Support Time News Diphu.
Today, the Karbi Student Association, Bukla District Committee, Bukla Branch Committee organized this anti-drugs awareness campaign. Why? Because these days the Karbi Anglong youths, maximum of the Karbi youths are consuming drugs. So the Karbi Students Association think that if the KSA is not taken this initiative, then the upcoming generation, the Karbi youth will be very destroy their life. So, from this platform, I would like to give a message to all the people of Karbi Anglong that those who are consuming drugs from today onward, that you are all stop from consuming drugs, because now we are not. Operation against this consuming to those persons to drugs. So the KSA always demand to the authority, the commissioner DC, that those who are consuming drugs to arrest them and put jail to them, send in jail to them, because if they are not taking responsibility, then upcoming generation will be very destroyed for our society. So this is a small message from us. Thank you.
Ningkaninko rapho amri pen MSc likhido naki hai EMD Urfing Masla Batay Karbi Archonara ta phan kachong thui chobai lok pusi Karbi Archonara ta tum ningche pon athege pining MSc constituency 1 crore development fund KAC pen piseta labangso Karbi Archonarong phan puthot kelang pangri thu lake non hejong alam kali ulukon chipen Karbi Archon an towar MSc development fund pilosita rada tum kading jateng pulote ke pha kipleng dobinong lo Atheke ekrong beta towarle diwa kidomalom an sen grever thokchosi Karbi Archonan ke pali pipede Karbi Anglong arata tum chijin so selo manon EOEV isi beta tum kido kisung langdun prong behabe parle claim dam sita katikuk thidung atheke nonapor keng pen kedam bongja phananta akisung kido
tum puthot sonthak thak sini tum arniwang tak kisung la so towar ajoini pen kedam kewang mate chuyor tulang kunon stameni tum kisung Arniwang tak kecil heglong mati imekri bu prup penitum arniwang telah sotowar kisung aja ini penitum kececak dorong lah si kedam tang MSc uta nitum han nang cecak lo alang li uping maslaya mata nitum han nang cecak lo je nipan jong senang pe hai donot nang pe hai det lo potang te vot jong senang pilon ne hai lo potang te lah sotowar ke nitum prap jing pe nama senang selam pipo usini tum long nang cecak lo stameno nitum abang ke ahok lo nitum dak Natu rong troksi centong rong troksi tak tawar ke lalu. Sameni tum amri rong thom du lasot tawar lapuan pinamun kacelat. Alang litum stame nang secak penon pua bang tani tum papan no antang pecun pitek telang lasot tawar ajo ini nitum no antang kesung cecak nang bom lah. Las ini tum kaconeng ri bang ke alang li untik prabjing pen alang li nona mat lasot tawar nang aci selamnya pansi nitum na coneng ri lo alang li uping maslai pan masitame.
Lo nang lila kaci pendak nang lihem anke
Kilometer troksian.
andela arbeke jang hut nang litum la non ke la cycle dolo cycle pen lo makedam nang likeng pen lo
Lason cycle ven sta intoi pon jan sana.
kang doi pen lok kilometer ko an bag do
Kilometer troksi dolo.
la ke chong doi pon lok pen sipale nang pokedi nang eko ko so school lo do nang like Amri. La Nursing Camp School. Nang li la cycle pen lok la an ka hilu ke dam nang lo ke.